friends, today we are unboxing this magnetic dress-up set. It's the Enchanted Nutcracker Magnetic Dress-Up. It comes with this beautiful box. It has these two ballerinas, and it comes with these 3 sheets of these beautiful dresses and props. Wow, we're gonna have so much fun. Look at this. You can pop this out so easily. Look, here's the Nutcracker. And look, we can dress our beautiful ballerina. Here's your Nutcracker. How cute is that? Let's finish dressing up this beautiful ballerina. Okay, let's work on this one. Let's see, what can we put on this one? Look how pretty that is. Wow, I love it. Here's a little hat. Let's decorate the tree. Some candy canes. Some little lights. Let's see, what can we put? Oh, here's some gifts. Here's a little rocking horse. Here's a gingerbread little cookie. Some more ornaments. So pretty. Let's see what we can put this here for her. You are going to have so much fun with this set. It is from Amazon, and it comes with 40 little pieces that you can put in your box, and you can put it away when you're done playing. Remember, this is the Enchanted Nutcracker Magnetic Dress-Up from Amazon.